Okay, we're going to test it. This works. Alright. So we're going to check the run out on this. And I know that it fluctuates within about 3 on it. So this run out right here is what I'm going to check. It could be just the way that this was done or how it's bolted here. So that, I'm happy with that. This thing has no wobble in it. From here, gears and everything, there's no wobble in that. So I'm good there. Now let's just move it back a little. There, I moved it back. So now let's go to good enough. Alright. That's the chuck. Alright. So, I have another chuck. This is a K12 100 right here. I mainly went to get it just so that I could get the key and pull the center out. Like this, you know. But with this, I am fairly close. Let's stick it up there, turn it on. There. I'm fairly close with this one, being dead center. Now when I put just the chuck, trying to line the chuck up, it wasn't doing it too well. And I flipped this around, which now I know why the guy had it on this side. You get down here, you run out of space to be able to move it. Alright, get out of the way. Make sure nothing's going to collide. There. Throw some light on it. That's fairly close to being center. It's not perfect. It's off just a fraction, which means I need to unbolt it and slide it that way off of this piece right here. So I gotta get the scratch all out and do that, and we'll see. But if you'll notice, there's people trying to get these things perfectly flat or straight across. Alright, well, this one's the same over here. It's just a little bit different, not much. You go to lifting that thing, it's going to raise it up. So I'm just going to slide mine over until I hit the center on this slide box right here, and just move it a fraction so I can hit center, and it'll be fairly close. Alright, what I did, I went and got this is a 4-jaw chuck. This is K12 100, and this is the K11 100. You can see it and read it. That's the best way to do it. There you go. It gives you the RPMs is 3,500 RPMs a minute. Alright, this is the same thing. I looked it up somewhere. I had the instructions and everything, but I don't have the other set of jaws for this, so I might put this on because I got 2 sets of jaws for this one right here. And then it may change the run out on it. You never know. But I'm going to put this in. Yeah, I got a half plate in there. And we'll see how far off we are with it. Alright.